I am Mathur and doing this writing composition course from Georgia Tech University. I've always believed in life that it's very important to stand by what one believes in, and one of my principles in life has been always to do the right thing. That's what I've practiced at work, and that's what I've advised all the people I work with, that even if it is a short term pain to do the right thing, I think in the longer run you are known to be the right people and who have all the right values, and people tend to appreciate it, and kind of you build your fan following. So some of the things I've been challenged with is people management at work. Work with large teams, and invariably it turns out that one of one of the big constraints we've had is high attrition, people tending to go to other places for money, and so on and so forth. And I've seen some of my managers trying to retain people for the sake of managing metrics and things like that. But I've always told them not to run after just in not to just run after retaining people because they want to go out, but also to build a culture of the right people practices, taking care of the people at the onset when they join the organization, and then build talent. That helps in the sense that people who are joining the organization, they look up to the organization, their efficiency is much better at work, and at the same time, their longevity in the organization is much higher. That just doesn't help the individual, but also helps the organization in ensuring that it's running at higher productivity. It is getting the most out of the individuals, and it ends up being a happy place to work. So that's what I've believed, and I mean that's specific to people management, but even on other practices, this has always helped me. Um, One of the ways I try doing that is setting things up as an example for my team, and I tend to display leadership by doing those things myself. So do the right things myself, and when my direct reports, look at me doing those things which I preach, they end up following those things themselves. So so that works because then you're not just building talent at a very low level of performance, but you're also ensuring that even the high performance people are performing even better. This this has been seen like in a couple of organizations I've worked with in the past. They have not just they've not just seen increase in people's motivation, but overall business outcomes for our clients. And one of my clients was so happy about with this thought that I shared with them once, that they started to talk about their their practices and with some of their leaders about it. So I think it's very simple philosophy. Do the right things, but I think in the long run it really pays. So that's what I have to say. The other thing that I wanted to also talk about is that I'm I feel that any organization has to have very holistic growth, and sometimes some people have tried to do very very time bound, or say synthetic growth or synthetic treatment to problems. I've always felt that an individual has to think of future and fix problems in long term, and not just worry about short term problems. And once you do that, you would invariably not see those problems coming again in the short run at least. So working around that has has helped me as well, because when you look at holistic picture, say end to end work, and supporting our clients end to end, not just providing what you're supposed to do as part of your scope. The clients are much happier because they get more holistic solution. So all those things have got more revenue for my organization and more client appreciation and stronger VOC. So these are the couple of things I stand by in my profession. Thank you.